Hello and welcome to this weekend's silver chart analysis video for Friday, 6th day of September 2013. My name is Derek and welcome. This will be the first of 17 consecutive weekend videos where I'll be giving you my top 2 NFL selections for the week. Something I want to do, something I can do, so it's something that I'm doing. If it's something that doesn't interest you, well, it's at the end of the video. You don't have to watch it. And if you are interested in it, well, it's at the end of the video. If you found this video via search, this channel has been, is, and will continue to be focusing primarily on technical analysis charts, but really all things working within the fiat currency system. Gold and silver have a lot to do with it. If you are unfamiliar with what fiat currency is, and well, the rabbit hole, which has a lot of interesting information. Many people have decided to become aware of how currency is created. And if you take that challenge, well, your life will change. Let me just put it that way. That's all I'm going to say. But if you really want to know how currency is created, I'll give you a simple search. The creature from Jekyll, J-A-K-Y-L-L, I think, Island. Search for the PDF book. Awesome book. It'll tell you how currency is created. Enough about that. Let's now get on to the charts. Only one time frame. Again, 2 NFL picks after I'm done this. Only one time frame. The daily chart. All right. What I've been saying is I fully expect price action to reach the low 26 area, right around 26 and a dime, before this blue band 18 moving average moves into a declining mode. That's another way of me saying when it was making this rally that at some point I would have expected it to correct in here, but for that to be the correct correction. Now the question is, am I going to be right? Will it stay above the significant level, which is really around 23 or the very high 22s, that would avoid this band from going into a declining market? As long as it stays in between really this 23 and 24 and a half range, this band will stay in a sideways consolidation pattern. We have had one lower high and one lower low since this point. There's a lower high. This was a higher low to here. So now this low was technically taken out by about 6.5 cents on Thursday's session. To me, it's a matching low. At least with a blind eye, it's pretty much at the exact same spot. Again, technically though, it's a lower low. What we can also see just by looking at 2 days is that you've barely made that lower low, and the next day, which was Friday, it barely took out or barely went above Thursday's low, broke above Thursday's high, closed pretty much at the highs for the day. So now this 6.5 cent takeout, is that going to be that failed move that will eventually break this resistance, most likely test in here, which would then lead to a move to 26. So an example of such is when you come down here, the likely scenario is you come back like that, and if you're going to break it, a pattern to 26. When we reach the 26, I'm going to most likely make a video, and the video would say something in the area of $26 resistance test. And I'll be saying, now what? So I'll explain that more when that comes. Now, of course, if I am wrong and this 18 average declines, it's going to take a break below this 23 level. And the first support area, although was not tested as resistance, will be that of 22.21. That would be an area that it should find some support from, in that it would correct through time, it would go up to this previous level, and if it doesn't find support at any key resistance or support level, if it doesn't stop, then you can expect oftentimes further explosions. So for example, you come down here, say it doesn't find support, well, then you're going to continuously have fast moves and then be testing this 20 to 21 range. On the contrary, for the upside, let's just say that you have no resistance at this 25.12 level, and it just keeps going. Well, now you'd expect that fast move to the low 26s. And if you don't have resistance there, again, I'll talk about that when we get there. So that'll be it for today's silver chart analysis. As far as my first two picks of the weekend, I'm expecting to go 21 and 13. Whether I will or not, we'll see. Tennessee Titans taking 7 points against the Pittsburgh Steelers, and the Dallas Cowboys and the New York Football Giants total for both teams to go under 49.5 total points. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll talk to you later this week. Bye-bye.